Definite integration in physics. Step number 1. Integration x dx from 2 to 5. What is definite integration? Point number 1. First of all, see what is variable. कौन variable है? dx लिखा है dt या dv. इस समय dx लिखा है. That means x is variable. Step number 1. This is called lower limit. जो नीचे लिखा होता है. And in physics we call it initial value. Initial value of variable. और जो ऊपर लिखा है this is called upper limit. And in physics we call this 5 as final value of variable. See, एक लंबी गहरी सांस लें. यहां x वेरिएबल है, पहले इसे समझा. फिर in this question when this is written 2 to 5, this variable having initial value 2 and final value 5, this line signifies x, which is variable. It is changing from 2 to 5. That means this 2 is initial value and 5 is final value. An initial value called lower limit and final value called upper limit. Lower limit placed here below this integration sign, upper limit put here above the integration sign. This is called definite integration when variable is changing between certain initial value and final value. Breathe in slowly and gradually. This is step number 1. What is definite integration? Step number 2. Indefinite integration में हम constant of integration लगाते हैं. Definite integration में c is not required because it is fixed between initial value and final value. So no need to put c. C means constant of integration in this definite integration topic. भाई indefinite integration में previous lectures में आपने सुना, पहले हमें constant of integration लिखना, फिर उसे find करना, फिर उसे put करना, वो indefinite integration है. Definite integration में c लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है because limits are given, initial value and final value is given to us. Once again breathe in. Step number 3. You will integrate as integration is done. That is called integrate. As you integrate, for example, if we are integrating this, then what to do? Focus. You know the formula from previous lecture. Integration of x dx is x square by 2. This is called integrate. Just you integrate. You know how to integrate? Just apply the formula for integration. So integration of x dx is x square by 2. So these are the limits 2 to 5. Lower limit, upper limit, initial value, final value. Then step number 4. लंबी गहरी सांस लें. You put value of limits in place of variable. जो वेरिएबल होगा आप करेंगे उसमें लिमिट्स की वैल्यू को पुट फ्रॉम upper limit minus lower limit, that is step number 5. Upper limit minus lower limit. Hold it, breathe in slowly and gradually. इसका मीनिंग समझने के लिए see the example. First of all, what is variable? See again. In this numerical, when x dx is written, x is variable. तो लिमिट्स को इस x की जगह पर लिखना होगा जो वेरिएबल है. This is point number 4. You will put these limits 2 and 5 in place of variable, which is x. फिर कैसे पुट करेंगे? Upper limit, then minus lower limit. Focus. This 5 is upper limit and this 2 is lower limit. पहले आप इस 5 को यहां पुट करेंगे in place of x and follow the everything, it is whole square upon 2. Then minus, this is called upper limit minus lower limit. पहले आपने अपर लिमिट की वैल्यू 5 को यहां x की जगह पुट किया, this is called putting upper limit. Then minus lower limit. अब इस lower limit 2 को यहां पुट करेंगे in place of variable which is x. Solve it. 25 by 2 minus 2. You can solve it. This is the answer of this definite integration. Breathe in slowly and gradually. See more examples. See, अगर आपसे बोला जाए इंटीग्रेट v dv when velocity changes from initial velocity u to final velocity v. देखिए, सबसे पहले आप ये समझें, indefinite integration either initial value, final values are given or lower limit, upper limit will be given. जो initial velocity है, it will act as lower limit, final velocity act as upper limit. So we will see this question like this: integrate v dv from u to v. यही क्वेश्चन आपको ऐसे दिया जा सकता था, इंटीग्रेट v dv फ्रॉम u to v. तो आप समझ जाते, दिस u इज लोअर लिमिट और दिस इज इनिशियल वैल्यू, दिस v इज अपर लिमिट और दिस इज फाइनल वैल्यू. ब्रीथ इन. वो खुद ही अगर ऐसा नहीं बोले तो ही विल गिव इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, फाइनल वेलोसिटी. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कॉल्ड लोअर लिमिट एंड फाइनल वैल्यू कॉल्ड अपर लिमिट. फिर क्या करना? सिंपल इंटीग्रेशन. v dv has integration v square by 2. Now put the value of limits. Limits कैसे put करेंगे? Upper limit minus lower limit. Limits are put in place of variable. See the question. In the question, what is variable? See, this velocity is variable. This velocity is changing from initial value to some final value. So this is variable. You will put these limits in place of variable. पहले आप ये अपर लिमिट पुट करें, माइनस now lower limit u square by 2. Breathe in again. See one more example. See, this is most important. It will be used in gravitation, escape speed, escape. This is gmm by x square dx. Integrate from r to infinity. So, first of all, see what is variable. If it is dx, x is variable. If it is dt, time is variable. Now it is dx. So, first of all, see x is variable. So, these are limits of integration. Lower limit, upper limit. Lower limit means it is the initial value of variable. ये x की initial value है. This is also called initial value of variable. Initial value of x, and this is called final value of x. Now, other than variable, these three things are constant. G, m, m. Taken out of the integration sign. इसे बाहर ले लें. GMM. Inside it is 1 by x square dx. From r to infinity. Now GMM, integration of 1 by x square will be minus 1 by x. If you have any doubt, see this. आप जानते हैं इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x की पावर n dx इज x रेज पावर n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1 प्लस c. अगर वो इनडेफिनेट हो, लिमिट्स लग जाए तो c नहीं आता है. नाउ अगर आप n के प्लेस पर देखें, इसे -2 लिख दें, तो इट विल बी x रेज पावर -2 dx. सॉल्व इट. राइट -2 इन प्लेस ऑफ n. -2 plus 1 -2 plus 1 plus c. This is called 1 by x square dx, and it will be x raised to power -1 upon -1. This is called dx by x square. It is -1 by x. You know this from previous lectures. So I am writing it. Integration of 1 by x square dx is -1 by x. Minus taken outside 1 by x from r to infinity. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now we will put limits of integration. Limits of integration are put in place of variable. What is variable? X. So this is variable. इस x की जगह पर आप ये लिमिट्स लिखेंगे. अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट. पहले अपर लिमिट लिखेंगे x की जगह पर इंफिनिटी, 1 by infinity, माइनस फिर लोअर लिमिट 1 by r. 1 by infinity is 0. So it will be -1 by r. Solve it plus gmn by r. Breathe in slowly and gradually.